My family are going to planning a trip to this year on January 6th of the next year. We are going to travel to Santa Marta. We will, excuse me, probably we will going to Santa Marta in our car, and we are going to stay in a Decameron hostel. We will eat different type of food because we like eating different type of fish. Also, we are going to visit the aquarium and we will visit other places. Maybe we will spend between 5 and 6 billion. I think that we will stay around the 1 week in this beautiful destiny. Thank you.